Young Neeraj Chopra became the first Indian to win the gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics. The Golden Boy achieved the feat in the men's javelin throw final after defeating the likes of world number 1 Johannes Vetter. This was also India's first medal in athletics in the history of Olympics. Neeraj has done what no other Indian athlete has managed to do before. He became India's second ever individual Olympic gold medalist after shooter Abhinav Bindra. Athletics is not a category where Indian athletes are counted among the big contenders. But Neeraj went into the Tokyo Olympics as a very big contender and he has shown why. With this medal, the Golden Boy has also fulfilled the dreams of late Milkha Singh. The Flying Sikh always wished to see an Indian athlete clinch a medal in the Olympics. Milkha Singh was the first Indian male to reach the final of an Olympic athletics event and was placed 4th in the 400-meter race at the Rome Olympics in 1960. After winning the medal, Neeraj said that I dedicate the medal to Milkha Singh. I hope he is watching from the heaven. Had he been alive, I would have gone to meet him with the medals. Neeraj kicked off the proceedings with gigantic 87.03 meter and then aced it up to second attempt by reaching. However, the third and the fourth attempt by the Indian didn't count. In the fifth and final attempt, Neeraj threw 84.24 meter. However, his second throw was enough to win a gold. Neeraj had qualified for the finals with 86.65 meter throw and has also topped the qualifying round. The historic movement by Neeraj Chopra was celebrated by Indians all around the world, as the entire panel lauded Chopra for his achievement for India. One celebration that stood out was that of Sunil Gavaskar. The former Indian captain, one of the many glued to the TV watching Chopra's scripting history, erupted in joy. What made it even more special was Gavaskar singing and dancing to the patriotic song Mere Desh Ki Dharti along with Ashish Nehra. It is to be noted that prior to Olympics, in a conversation with Olympics contingent, PM Modi told Neeraj not to take burden of expectations from the public and just play his natural game and give his 100%.
मैं एक महत्वपूर्ण बात आपसे कहना चाहता हूं। आपको अपेक्षाओं के बोझ तले दबने की जरूरत नहीं है। आप अपना 100% दीजिए, बस यही मिजाज, बिना किसी दबाव के।
As Neeraj Chopra ended India's 121 years of wait for an athletics medal with his gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics, congratulatory messages from Prime Minister Narendra Modi and others kept coming his way. Haryana CM Manohar Lal Khattar also congratulated the athlete from his state. He said, "The whole country had been waiting for this moment. The whole country is proud of you." CM Khattar announced a first-class job, 6 crore for Olympic gold medalist, and also said that Neeraj will be made head of upcoming Center for Excellence in Athletics in Panchkula. He also said that Haryana के छोरे ने लठ गाड़ दिया, a slang in Haryanvi language for achieving the best.
हरियाणा के छोरे ने लठ गाड़ दिया, और लठ क्या भाले वाला लठ गाड़ दिया.
The Indian Armed Forces also hailed Neeraj's victory on scripting history. Neeraj Chopra is also a Subedar in Rajputana Rifles in Indian Army and hails from Panipat, Haryana. Chief of Army Staff General M.M. Narwane and all the ranks of the force also congratulated Neeraj on winning the gold medal. Neeraj underwent elbow surgery on his throwing arm. He missed the World Championship, the Diamond League and the Asian Championship while recovering from the injury. Neeraj though made an impressive comeback post-surgery and qualified for the Tokyo Olympics. He also missed his training because of the corona pandemic. It is also India's best ever medal tally, which is 7, one more than Beijing Olympics. It is to be noted that before the Olympic Games, then Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju in an interview with the organizer made a big statement and said that it is going to be India's best ever medal tally in Olympics.
India is in the contention for multiple medals. That is the success. Now how many medals, I can't say. But we are expecting best ever result.
Coming back to the gold medal match, there was some drama along the way. His biggest rival, the javelin legend and the world record holder Johannes Vetter, who had a poor showing and failed to qualify for the second part of the finals, finishing 9th after the 3 throws, but none of that really mattered, because from his first throw, Neeraj was way ahead of the field. The day before the final, while many of his competitors tossed and turned, Neeraj Chopra had been laughing on the antics of his cousin on videos, sent to him by his uncles and longtime supporter Bhim Chopra. Neeraj just kept throwing consistently on the biggest stage when it mattered the most. While the pressure seemed to get to the witter, he continued to do what he did best. He simply threw his 700-gram javelin as far as he could and launched himself into the history.